Get ready to train with your new Forerunner 570 Advanced Running Smartwatch. Let's get started so you can push your limits and perform at your best. Begin by turning on your Forerunner 570 by pressing and holding the light button. Swipe up or down and tap to select your language preference. Select the check mark to begin the pairing process. Then scan the QR code with your compatible smartphone's camera. For existing customers, scanning this code will open the device search screen in the Garmin Connect smartphone application. For new customers, scanning this code will direct you to download the Garmin Connect smartphone application. Now, open the app, then sign in or create an account. Agree to the EULA and select Next. Finally, enter your account credentials. Select Connected once the Garmin Connect app finds your device. Your Forerunner 570 will display a 6-digit Bluetooth pairing code. Confirm the code matches in the Garmin Connect app and tap Pair. Follow the instructions to complete the initial setup and to sync your user profile and recent activity data. The app will also help you customize device settings and set up features such as a Wi-Fi connection, Garmin Pay, and even fully customized activity profiles. Next, let's look at how to use your Forerunner 570. The light button brings up your display brightness. Double tapping this button will enable the flashlight. Hold the light button to access the controls menu. Here, you can lock the watch, trigger assistance, access the Garmin Pay wallet, and more. The up and down buttons help you navigate through widget glances, menus, and data screens. Hold the up button to open the menu. Here, you can customize the watch face, set alarms, view activity history, and access general watch settings. Press the up or down buttons or use the touchscreen to scroll through this menu. From the watch face, press the down button or swipe up to see the widget glances loop. You'll see last run stats, running performance, training status, and more. Tap a glance or press the Start/Stop button to see more detailed data. You can swipe or press the up or down buttons for additional pages of data. Swipe right to exit the glance. To add additional glances, scroll to the end of your glance list and select Edit. Next, select Add. Then select a glance to add it. Hold the down button for quick access to the music player. You can customize this shortcut or add more shortcuts through the watch settings menu. From the watch face, swipe down or press the up button to access the notification center. This includes notifications from your paired smartphone and watch. Tap a notification to view more details or swipe left to dismiss and clear it. The Start/Stop button shows your activity and apps list. Scroll down to see your apps, including workouts, phone assistants, voice command, and more. The voice command and phone assistant features use the built-in speaker and microphone. The back button lets you return to the previous screen. In a timed activity, it will also mark a lap. When you're ready to start an activity, press the Start/Stop button. Out of the box, the run activity is pinned at the top of the list. You can pin up to 3 activities. To see additional activities and customize your favorites, select the On-Screen Activities button. Find your activity and press the Start/Stop button to select it. For most activities, the touchscreen will lock after several seconds of no interaction. To unlock it, tap the screen, then swipe down on the lock icon. The screen will lock again after several seconds of no interaction. Press the up button or swipe from the top of the screen for quick access to connect a sensor, enable live track, and more. Press the down button to view your workout for the day, training options, activity settings, general watch settings, and to navigate to data screens. Press the back button to return to your activity page. For outdoor activities, wait until you have acquired a GPS signal. Then press the Start/Stop button to begin. For indoor activities, you won't need to wait for a GPS signal to begin. During an activity, you can press down to see more data fields such as lap information or the time of day. After completing your run and stopping the timer, you can resume, save, discard, or select one of the other options. When you save the activity, you'll see summary information and stats about the run and your performance. With the Forerunner 570 smartwatch, you have the perfect tool to help you outshine your competition. For more information on using your watch, subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching!